The KidKraft Majestic Mansion Wooden Dollhouse is a popular toy designed for children ages 3 and up. It's a large and elaborate dollhouse that comes with 34 pieces of furniture and accessories, including items like chairs, tables, a piano, a bathtub, and more. This dollhouse is known for its detailed design and spacious rooms, allowing children to engage in imaginative play with their dolls and figures. Key features of the KidKraft Majestic Mansion Wooden Dollhouse include 1. Working elevator. The dollhouse includes a working elevator, which adds an interactive element to play. Children can move their dolls between different floors using the elevator. 2. Garage. This dollhouse also features a garage with doors that can open and close, providing additional play opportunities for toy cars and other accessories. 3. Spacious rooms. The dollhouse has multiple rooms with open designs, making it easy for children to reach inside and play. The large size of the dollhouse allows for multiple children to play together.